In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to produce contour using Civil 3D. How to produce contour using Civil 3D. At the end of our today's lesson, you'll be able to learn Civil 3D. You're able to know how to produce contour using Civil 3D. Many people have called us to ask us to teach how to train them on how to produce contour in a contour survey. Then today we're going to learn it. We're going to train on the step by step on how to produce contour using Civil 3D. There are many softwares to produce contours. You can use Surfer, you can use AutoCAD, you can use Land Desktop, you can use CivilCAD, you can use ArcGIS, you can a lot of softwares. You can use QuickGrid. There are many softwares for contour to produce contour, but today we are doing advanced training, which is how to produce contour using Civil 3D. The first thing to do is to launch your Civil 3D from your desktop environment. You can see from your desktop environment, you can see that we have metric here, we have Imperial, and apart from the desktop, you can launch your Civil 3D from your start menu. Move to your start menu or program and choose where the program is. Choose where the program is and open the Civil 3D from your all program. Then after launching your Civil 3D, then this is the environment of your Civil 3D. You wait for a few minutes for it to load, and after loading, your Civil 3D environment will look like this. You have your menu bars. We're not going to talk about the explain the tools menus and the toolbars and the information and their functions. For you to use Civil 3D, you must be used to CAD and IT environment. The CAD and IT environment are almost the same, just little differences. Now, the first thing to do is to have a contour data. A contour data is a topographic fieldwork produced by Surveyor. A contour data is a topographic fieldwork produced by a surveyor on a field. Then it looks like this. A contour data is a topographical field work produced by surveyor. From this, we have saved this contour data on a notepad. You can save it in an Excel sheet or a notepad. On a notepad, you can see the point, the easting, the northing, and the height. The point, the easting, the northing, and the height. Then after you type it, you save it and close. Then you save it to in a folder where you can easily locate. I saved mine on the desktop. You can see here practical job 1, 2, 3. We are doing the practical job the 1 to 3 on how to produce contour map in Civil 3D. Then after launching the environment, the Civil 3D environment, the second thing to do, we have talked about the first thing is to type in your contour data in a notepad or in a Excel sheet and save it in a folder or on your desktop. Then secondly, after launching your Civil 3D, from your home page, you are seeing your home page menu bar here. Then from your home page, you're going to click Surface. The first thing to do for you to be able to produce contour in Civil 3D is to create a surface as in Civil 3D environment. You're going to create surface where the data will be inputted. You will import the data, the topo survey data into Civil 3D. But for you to be able to import the data, you must first create surface. Then click surface, click create surface and wait. The create surface dialog box will appear. Then you're going under type, you're going to see it on thin surface. Then because you are working on thin surface, then you're going to see properties. Under the properties, you're going to change your name, the name of the job you're doing. We call this one practical 1. Practical 1. Under description, we said US Civil 3D. Civil 3D. Then under style, the style here talk about your contour, how you want it. Then most times you don't set it. You can come back to set it later. Then let's set it up, do it once and for all, so you understand what it takes to produce a good contour map on Civil 3D. Then under style, click, you are seeing contours 2 meters by 10 meters background. Then click on this icon here. Then it will take you to dialog box on the contour environment. Then click on this icon here and select contour 1 meter by 5 meters background. Then click on this icon here, to this dialog icon here, click it, then and it will take you to the surface style settings. Then and this surface style settings, you're going to off whatever. If you don't want to after plotting, you don't want to see the contour, then you off it here. You want to see the contour, you on it here. Then and the point, we want to see the point, we click. Then we want it, the border to be seen, is on here. If you don't want it to be on, you off it. All these are off, then we on it, so we can see the contours after plotting. Then we move down, we want to see the arrow. Then now that is under display, what you want to display on your map. Then we have information, we have border, we have contour. Under contour, we're going to set our contour intervals. There I'm using 0.5 by 2.5. That is the contour size I'm using. Depend on the contour size you want to use, you can change it. It's not constant. Contours interval is not constant. You can change it. Then that is it. Then after that, you click apply. Then you click OK. OK again. That have set up your style, contour style. Now on the rendering, you click again. It will take you to the dialog box. Then say click OK and OK again. Then to close. Now you have created a surface on Civil 3D. This is a step to create a surface on Civil 3D. Now you can see the access create surface. Then you have created a surface. In case you don't know how to create a surface, what we did now is how to create a surface. You click surface here, click create surface, then do your settings and click OK. Then that is all. Then now we have successfully created a surface on Civil 3D. The next thing to do is we want to import the topos survey data into Civil 3D. The topos survey data into Civil 3D because it's a topographic survey job. To produce a contour map, it must be a topo survey job. Then now, the third thing we're going to do is click on Modify Tools. Click on Modify Tools. Under Modify Tools, click Surface. Then now, look at what will happen. You have taken you to Surface Environment. Modify. From Modify, you click Surface. Then Surface will take you to Surface Environment. This is the surface files and tools for you to use. You want to edit, you want to do anything on the surface. You got this surface, you have created a surface you want to work on, you want to edit, you want to plot contours, you want to plot your topo survey. On this surface, this is everything you're going to use in producing contour survey plan. Then after on the surface environment, then we click Add Data. When you click Add Data dialog box, then click point point file. Then when you click point file, a Add point file dialog box will appear. Then there's a plus here. This plus means add file, the file that contains the topo survey data. Then you click. It will take you to your folder where you save your fieldwork. My fieldwork was saved on the desktop. You can see practical job 1 to 3. Then I will select, click open, and wait for a minute. It will load. Wait for a minute. It will load. If you look here now, I have point. The point now is under nothing. The easting is the easting and the uh, uh, and the and the height elevation. Then now there's no nothing here. Nothing is not 1 to 3. We're seeing here. Then now for us to get what is on our topo survey data, we click point easting. We're going to specify the format which we use in typing it on our notepad. We have point easting, nothing, and height, XYZ. Then you click. Look at what will happen here. We have point, easting, nothing, and elevation, the height. Now, this is exactly what we did on our notepad. Then click OK. At this point, we have successfully plotted import our topo survey on Civil 3D. Then you can't see anything. Right click and press zoom and zoom extend. Then you are seeing your topo survey plan. Wow, that is very good. At this point, we have to edit, we have to adjust and check everything here that has happened. Then you have found that the contours is not how it's supposed to be on your own, but you have plotted it based on what you put, the size of your contours, your contour interval. And two, the spot height is not showing. We're going to, on this day, you have successfully plotted our contours on Civil 3D by importing it on the surface environment. Then now, the next thing we're going to do is importing the spot type into this contour map. Importing the spot type into this contour map. Then what we do, we click. Excuse me. Then importing point height, the importing the elevation into the contour map. Then from the modify toolbar, click point, then click import point. You are importing points. Click import points. Then now it take you back to what we did before. But on this stage, you want to import Spotlight. You still go back to your data again and click open. Then now you still select point easting, nothing, and height. Then now look at what is showing here now. You can see this place. It said add point to a point group. You want to create a group. Then now we're going to give it a name. Then I have selected this. On this icon here, when I click it will ask me to rename my group. I should name my group. Then I'm going to name it as contour 1. Contour 1. Contour 1 is my point group name. Then click OK. Wow, at this point you have seen your spot height, and your boundaries, and also inside uh, your your topographic environment. This is how to import your spot height, your contours on Civil 3D. We want to say if you have any questions on this, you can easily send us an email. You can easily send us our email on our website, on our blog, on our Facebook page, on our Twitter, on our Instagram. You'll be free to ask any question which will be given to you. All questions. Next time we'll be going to look how to edit your contour survey on Civil 3D. How to edit your contour survey on Civil 3D. In case you missed this lesson, please subscribe on our YouTube channel and always check on us for more studies. Send us your questions, send us your feedback, send us your feedback, and get in touch with us at Your Easy Technology. We are here to serve you. Thank you.